More snow fell in Buffalo on Tuesday after a historic and brutal winter storm buried the region and left deaths mounting as the blizzard became the region's deadliest storm in more than 4 decades. Buffalo began to clean up after a severe blizzard brought the city to a standstill with record snowfalls on Tuesday. Authorities were digging out from under 4 feet of snow dumped during a deadly Christmas blizzard, even as the National Weather Service predicted a final 2 inches of snow on Tuesday. Big thank out to Buffalo workers for their monumental efforts to help clear up to 6 feet of snow. With armies of people and hundreds of plows, loaders, snow blowers, and track vehicles.